Now we will see how to design basic gates using NAND gate. So first we will see NOT gate using NAND gate. So in NOT gate, one input and one output, and output of the NAND gate is the complement of the input. So here this is a NAND gate, and NAND gate is having a two inputs. But here for realizing the NOT gate means inverter, whenever we are using NAND gate as an inverter, we have to use only one input. So here first these two inputs are tied together, and here this is the input. So here A is the input and Y equal to A bar. So output of the NAND gate is A bar. So whenever we are using one NAND gate with the one input NAND gate, then it acts as a inverter. And the first thing is the NOT gate we have realized using NAND gate. Okay. So second one is the AND gate. Second one, AND gate. So AND gate expression is Y is equal to A dot B. Y is equal to A dot B. So if we use two input NAND gate, A and B are the two inputs. Output of the NAND gate is A dot B bar. Okay. So if we use only one NAND gate, then output of the two input NAND gate is A dot B bar. But required expression is Y is equal to A dot B. So here this is the complement of the expression whatever we got. So here we have to use one inverter to get the required output. So here again we have seen now if we use a one input NAND gate, it acts as a inverter. Y is equal to A dot B bar bar. So input given to the second NAND gate is A dot B bar, output of the second NAND gate is A dot B bar bar. So this bar bar will cancel and you will get the Y is equal to A dot B. And this is the required expression for AND gate. Now we will see OR gate. A plus B. So OR gate, required expression for OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. So this expression we will get by using the NAND gates. So for this purpose, first we will use one NAND gate, one input NAND gate and input given as A. So when only one input NAND gate is used, output of this NAND gate is A bar. And again one more NAND gate we will use. Input is B, output will be B bar. If these two are given as input to the third NAND gate, for third NAND gate, then expression will be A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay. This is the one input, A bar is one input, B bar is another input. So A bar dot B bar whole bar. So here Y is equal to A bar dot B bar whole bar. So applying De Morgan's theorem, A bar bar plus B bar bar. So De Morgan's theorem is the product of complement of the product is equal to sum of complements A plus B. So desired output is Y is equal to A plus B. Okay. So in this way we have designed the NOT gate using NAND gate, AND gate using NOT gate using NAND gate, AND gate using NAND gate, OR gate using NAND gate.